I'm of the generation that has benefited almost exclusively from the fight of previous generations to save our reo, to reclaim our culture, and to make right injustices inflicted on our people. Mea nui kia mahara tātou, ko tātou te rangatira. We are the sovereigns of this nation, and the things that we've been sustaining as people, we've been treated like second-class citizens, not like rangatira. And so the purpose of this kaupapa today is to remind ourselves of our rangatiratanga and, importantly, stand within that rangatiratanga, because it's not a thing, it's a verb, it's an action. This is what we're activating today. Two kōreros here, me and Hana here, okay. And then you and Debbie up here. Yeah. I te tupuranga, wai mari e a hau mātou katoa, I te āhua o te tupu, ngā kōrero I whāngai hia, kia mātou e ngā mātua, kia mahara, I te hira o te Māoritanga. So in terms of upbringing, that was a big thing in terms of decolonising. But to be honest, it's probably in the last 2 or 3 years that the radicalisation of my own thoughts has really reached another level, and that's gone hand in hand with understanding the history and the truth behind He Whakaputanga and Te Tiriti o Waitangi. To me, I felt a sense of grief, I guess, in that truth was held away from me, hidden away from me, from us, and that it took me 27 years to figure out I'm a rangatira. Thankfully, our kids, they'll have 27 years at least on us. They're born with the thought, I'm a rangatira.
How are you feeling, bro?
A mixture of so many feelings right now, but proud to be Māori. These are things you prepare your whole life for without even knowing, you know? Yeah. Here we stand, reclaiming our right, and the right of our mokopuna to be free on our own whenua e tātou mā. And e hoa, what a time to be alive as a young Māori. Look at us, beautiful, magical people, what a time to be alive as a young Māori e tātou mā. Let's not be ashamed of saying that.
What did today achieve, bro?
I think it just revealed to ourselves our beauty, our magic, and our capability as an iwi Māori. And the main thing that was revealed today was our belief. It was something kua oho, kua haka oho ngia, I te rānei, nā, kua puta ki te ao marama.